In the vast expanse of the universe, celestial bodies engage in a dance governed by the laws of gravity and motion. Among these bodies, contact binaries, two stars or astronomical objects that are so close they share a common envelope, present a fascinating case study. The potential collision of contact binaries raises intriguing questions about the mechanics of such events, their consequences for stellar evolution, and the broader implications for the universe. This exploration delves into the nature of contact binaries, the possible outcomes of their collisions, and the impact on surrounding environments. A contact binary consists of two stars that are close enough together that their outer atmospheres touch or overlap. This proximity often leads to mass transfer between the stars, significantly influencing their evolution. Contact binaries are typically classified as either semi-contact binaries, where the stars are very close but do not share a common envelope, or fully contact binaries, where they do. Common envelope evolution. This occurs when one star expands as it ages, engulfing its companion. The two stars can enter a shared envelope, leading to complex interactions. Dynamical interactions. In dense stellar environments, such as globular clusters, gravitational interactions can bring stars together, leading to the formation of contact binaries. Mass transfer. If one star in a binary system evolves faster, it can begin to transfer mass to its companion, altering their orbits and potentially leading to a contact configuration. When discussing the collision of contact binaries, several scenarios can be envisioned. Direct collision. This occurs when the two stars move towards each other due to gravitational attraction, eventually overlapping and merging. Collision after mass transfer. In cases where mass transfer leads to significant changes in the star's orbits, a collision may occur after one star has gained enough mass to influence the dynamics. Influence of external forces. Gravitational interactions with nearby objects can alter the trajectories of the stars, leading to a collision. Merger into a single star. One of the most likely outcomes of a collision between contact binaries is the formation of a single, more massive star. This event can lead to increased mass. The combined mass of the two stars can create a new star that is more massive than its predecessors, potentially pushing it into a different category of stellar evolution. New stellar characteristics. The resulting star may exhibit unique characteristics, such as increased luminosity, rapid rotation, and a different spectral type.